That's really cool. Hey guys, so today's video is on these smoke bombs here. They're called Smoke Invasion by Mania Fireworks. And these aren't your usual smoke bombs. These are handheld smoke bombs, smoke sticks as they call them. There's a QR code right there. Performance says handheld smoke sticks with neon yellow, blue, purple, and red color smoke. It is really cool for outside gathering. So yeah, pretty interesting. I like the graphics on this box. Really cool. Smoke Invasion. But I will not be holding these. I'm actually having my nieces light these, but we won't be holding them because I don't really trust the fact that some smoke bombs have the chance to blow the back plug out or spit all over the place, hot embers. So probably not the safest idea, but see how they work. Let's go ahead and open up the box here. Let's see what we got. So there's red. That's how big they are. I mean, it looks safe because you got the really long stick, but you never know if there's going to be a hole in the plug up here. It's going to end up coming out of this bottom plug here. Probably be better if it was actual plug, not a piece of paper. But yeah, here's the red. Got yellow. Pretty nice. Blue. And purple. This one's probably going to be my favorite because I like purple. There's 4 different colors. I'm surprised they didn't put like a green or something in there. Pretty interesting. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what these things do. There you go.
I thought they spit. Not all of them did.
Whoa! Yeah, that's a big one.
That's pretty. Don't get too close, baby. It looks more like a pink than a red.
Yeah, that's actually a really pretty red.
It's a rose red.
A little bit lighter than that.
And it looks a little bit pinker.
It's almost like a dark hot pink.
Dark hot pink, so
Yeah.
red. So
No,
red.
not really. Hot pink is, I think it's technically a purple. I don't know.
I think a dark pink is red.
Pink is technically a red that's light red. That's pretty cool. Lighter broke, so I have to use this one. There goes yellow. Oh, look at that. Look at that yellow. Yeah, look how much that's spinning.
That's really
I wouldn't want to be holding that.
That looks like a green when it goes up.
Yeah, kind of.
Sure, come on. Don't need the beeper. Guys, I got the perfect spot. For a secret hut? That's our first. Oh, we're gonna have 2? 2 or 3? Smells like fireworks. That's because they're all at fireworks. Come on, Tara. We need to go. Tara, let's go. That's the fireworks. Okay. Come on. We'll still watch them. Okay.
Pretty nice. All right, now here goes blue. That's a pretty dark blue. Yeah, blues spit a lot.
That's really pretty.
Yeah, it is.
It's like a purplish blue. That's a pretty blue. I don't see any purple.
It kind of turns to purple when it dissipates. Usually the blues don't last very long, but this one's lasting quite a while. There it goes. Nice. Now here goes the purple.
Purple. So that one's bad. Ooh, that's a pretty color. That's really pretty.
That's a really dark purple. That's really cool. It's going through the... It was going through the heart. There it goes again.
She got it? Why? She wouldn't be on the game. I was gonna tell her what the camera, but she's not good. What is that? That's a flower. That's a smoke flower.
There it goes. Really nice. So yeah, these smoke sticks are really nice. They lasted quite a while. I think my favorite one was the purple one because it had a really, really deep purple. It was really nice. But yeah, I was kind of planning on having the kids do them, but the lighter that we had broke, or it stopped. It didn't have any more gas in it, so yeah. That was unfortunate, but I don't have any punks here for them to use, so I just had to light the rest of them. But yeah, these are really nice. I really like them. I'm not sure if I would hold them myself, because I'm not too fond of the idea of them spitting all over the place. You can see all the stuff they spit out, the burning hot embers. I'm sure it'd be fine if you hold them out far enough though, and you hold them like this, so they're actually pointing out and not like this, because that would get some of the embers on your hands or something like that. But yeah, really nice. I like them. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time with another video.